Hello. Please make sure you sit or lay down in a dimly lit to dark room and be comfortable. Relax where you're sitting and let your body just release all the tension as we do this meditation. If your mind drifts off, don't worry. Just remind yourself to return to the meditation. Be relaxed and accepting of the sensations, images, and thoughts that come to you. Don't be afraid, nor be critical of yourself. Close your eyes and take in a slow and deep breath through your nose. Hold it and release that breath out through your mouth. And repeat, taking in a deep breath, holding it, and release. Bring your focus to the rise and fall of your chest. Let each breath fill your lungs and then release, visualizing all the stress and distractions leaving your body. Just breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. You see a green clearing ahead, and you go towards it. The warmth of the sun touches your face as your toes are wiggling in the cool, lush green grass. Focus on these sensations as you feel your spirit extend its roots into the ground. Imagine roots that are lights coming forth down into the ground. The nourishment from the ground flowing through the roots into your body. Breathing in and out. A refreshing, cool breeze blows across the field, cooling the warmth from the sun. And you do not sway with the wind. You are firmly rooted in place. Be still, listening to your breathing. Envision your stress and release it like a balloon in the sky. Breathe, take in that big, deep breath and feel it fill you all the way to your feet. Hold it, then release. Allow your muscles in your body to relax. Feeling each breath relax you, focus and be still. Allow yourself to rest your mind. Focus on your slow and steady breathing, stilling your mind. Sense the tension flow from your feet all the way to the top of your head. Relax your jaw and breathe. Feel your roots and your toes in the grass. Let the sun enlighten in your mind. Feel the quiet peace settle over your body. You feel light as air, and yet your roots are keeping you grounded. You are at peace and secure. Breathe in deeply and slowly exhale as you begin to stretch your arms and your legs. Open your eyes, stretching out your body. Relax. Feel the peace, the stillness. Thank you for joining me in this grounding meditation. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, please do. And hit the like button if you enjoyed this meditation. Please comment down below how this meditation worked for you. Also, let me know if you'd like more. With love, always be kind to yourself and others. I'm Dee, the Mindful Oracle, and be well.